Milwaukee Tool quite possibly has done it again. They have 4 new tools that just came over the wire, and frankly, we're super excited about it. Some of these tools you might have heard of before, you might have seen them before, but they are now slated for actual release and are available to purchase, right? You could find the pricing and availability if you use the YouTube shopping button below. I want to say hello to a couple people for tuning in first. DSAC, Midnight Wolf, Michael Solis, Richard Benvitz. Yeah, I'm just going with Richard. Now, here's the deal. There are a couple of tools I know the large majority of you will be very excited about. I think there will be a select few, namely me. Let's move into the first tool. Yeah, Midnight Wolf, HGTV. Got to go check it out. Jobsite Johnny says, what's good, brother? Checking in from the job site. We got some heroes for lunch. We call them hoagies here in Philadelphia. Let's start off with the first announcement from Milwaukee Tool. It's their subcompact impact wrenches. A lot of you love the power of the stubby and say to yourself, isn't the stubby compact enough? These are even more compact. This is subcompact. As the most compact impact wrenches on the market, these solutions deliver the best underhood access up to 100 foot-pounds and 225 foot-pounds of butt-busting torque, and are the lightest weight in their class. They go on to say, available in 1/4 and 3/8 inches, these M12 FUEL subcompact impact wrenches with friction ring solve common size, weight, and productivity frustrations. 2.2 inches shorter than competitive impact wrenches, these solutions excel in both performance and size, offering the lightest weight in their class to reduce user fatigue while fitting into the tightest spaces without additional extensions, swivels, or adapters. A 4-mode drive control system offers precision and adaptability, including an auto shutoff mode that limits torque for hand-tight applications and a bolt removal mode that slows RPMs to prevent fastener drops. Built for precision work in the tightest spaces, the M12 FUEL 1/4-inch subcompact impact wrench with friction ring delivers up to 100 foot-pounds of butt-busting torque. It's at just 4.4 inches in length and 1.5 pounds. Chaka says, and I feel like VCG bringing you all the Milwaukee info, then smash the like button. Chaka, I gotta be honest with you, bro. Love you. I do. I got so much grief from one commenter on the last video you were on that it was bizarre. It was like, dude was like, he was heated, bro. So heated. Michael Solis says, in Baltimore, they are generally called subs. Some stores call them hoagies, but it's not universal. They go on to give the specifications of the 3/8 inch. It says delivering up to 225 foot-pounds of butt-busting torque. The M18 FUEL 3/8 inch subcompact impact wrench with friction ring is the go-to for light-duty applications that demand power in tight spaces. Measuring just 4.5 inches in length and weighing only 1.6 pounds, this solution provides access in the most confined spaces while minimizing user fatigue. With 30% faster application speeds, users can complete more work in less time. Some people think that the protective boots are for the tool, and I guess they could be. Solvents and lubricants can degrade plastics and such, but a lot of you that are in the automotive field say that the protective boots are to protect the vehicle that you're working on. The M12 FUEL subcompact impact wrench protective boot is form-fitting and lightweight to protect the tools and work surface while adding minimal size or weight. Fitting all M12 FUEL subcompact impact wrenches, it's the product number that it fits is the 3049-20, 3048-20. This protective boot withstands corrosive materials commonly found in maintenance environments with a durable proprietary rubber design. The M12 FUEL 1/4-inch subcompact impact wrench with friction ring, that's product number 3048-20, fastening torque is 70 foot-pounds. The butt-busting torque is 100 foot-pounds. It's got a maximum of 3,800 RPMs and 4,400 impacts per minute. The price on that bare tool is $199. The 3/8 subcompact kit, this is the kit in 3/8 size. Okay, your fastening torque would be 200 foot-pounds. Butt-busting torque would be 225 foot-pounds. it would be 3,400 RPMs, 3,600 impacts per minute. You'd get a CP 2.5 high output battery pack. You'd get the wrench. You get 2 of those battery packs with it, the CP 2.5 high output. You get a charger. You get a belt clip. That kit is $329. Now, if you wanted the 3/8 bare tool, it's $199, like the 1/4 inch as well. Protective boots, it's one number. It fits both wrenches. It's product number 49-16-3049. Those protective boots are $29. Not bad. You're protecting your investment. You're protecting the vehicles you're working on. I think there's a lot of benefit to using those protective boots. But let's move on to the number 3 tool on the list, which I'm most excited about. I believe they're calling it the 3-in-1 backpack vac. So this is a Gen 2 backpack vacuum. Some of you did have some credible concerns with the on and off switch of Gen 1. I'm wondering if they've addressed that. I know they've changed a whole bunch. Milwaukee has announced a new 3-in-1 backpack vac. Continuing to push the boundaries of cordless job site cleanup, Milwaukee Tool introduces the next generation M18 FUEL 3-in-1 backpack vac. The integrated cyclone separator extends filter life by 3.5 times by preventing debris from clogging the filter, minimizing the need for frequent filter cleanings. The Power State brushless motor delivers 70 CFM and 55 inches of suction for more effective cleanup that ensures faster, more efficient debris removal without compromising runtime. The vacuum is equipped with RedLink Plus intelligence, and when paired with an M18 Red Lithium Forge XC 8.0 battery, delivers over 40 minutes of continuous cleaning, covering more than 1,350 square foot in max runtime mode. Featuring an accessible tethered remote for easy on-off control and mode selection. Its 3-in-1 design offers unmatched versatility, adapting to the unique needs of any job site. A redesigned harness with enhanced padding ensures all-day comfort, while integrated hang hook and top handle make it easy to hang or carry. This vacuum comes with 5 kitted accessories: 1 7/8 inch by 6 inch flexible hose, 1 7/8 telescoping wand and ergonomic handle, 1 7/8 pivoting floor tool, 1 7/8 crevice tool that all have convenient onboard storage, ensuring quick access and seamless operation. Pretty awesome. Also, they've addressed one of the biggest hiccups or pet peeves from users of the Gen 1 backpack vacuum, and that was having to reach back into the back of yourself blindly to turn on and off the vacuum cleaner. They now have this hanging remote. So I like that they've addressed that as well. Some other backpack vacs would have a wand that kind of sticks out for power on either side of you, but Milwaukee's decided to put it up towards the top of your chest or your shoulder. The M18 FUEL 3-in-1 backpack vac has a product number of 0895-20. It's 18 volts. This vacuum does not require 2 battery packs. That will run on a single battery pack. CFM is 70. Suction, it's got a 55-inch water lift, or it says H2O. It's a water lift. Capacity is 1 gallon. The filter is HEPA. It has a 5-year tool warranty. Bare tool, $349. It's coming with all of the crevice tools, the handles, the backpack vacuum, $349. I feel like when the Gen 1 came out, it might have been at the same price point or $50 cheaper at $299. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comment section below. The Nobody says, is there a schedule for these streams? I always seem to be late, because you're right on time. You're right on time right now. If there is a time that you'd like to see us stream, put it down in the comment section. Don't put it in the chat. Put it in the comments. This way I will know what works for you. Here's my main man, Max B49. How you doing, my friend? Let's move into the number 4 tool on the list. This one, I'm kind of excited. We saw this one. You could go to this video here. We saw this in person at World of Concrete, and the presenter was magnificent. Super awesome. This is the M18 M12 Gangbox Rapid Charger. It's going to charge your batteries, M18 and M12. You're not going to have to find a flashlight to look around the job box. This has a flashlight built in. Milwaukee Tool continues to lead the professional industry in job site charging solutions with the launch of the new M18 M12 Gangbox Rapid Charger, designed specifically to meet the demands of commercial job sites. This versatile charger delivers faster charging, maximized storage space, and built-in illumination while maintaining a compact footprint and seamlessly integrating into most common gang boxes and other steel storage spaces. The magnetic base and cleat offers quick, tool-free mounting, easily integrating into the most common gang boxes. Its low-profile design supports multiple orientations, on shelf, under shelf, or front shelf, maximizing usable space. The compact footprint allows two chargers to fit side by side in a NAC 89 piano-style gang box, boosting charging capacity without sacrificing storage efficiency. In addition, the built-in 450 lumen LED floodlight offers increased visibility in dim lighting or early morning conditions. With 270-degree rotation and a smart 1-hour shutoff, the light enhances access without draining power. Designed to reduce downtime, Milwaukee's new charger charges two M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 batteries in 60 minutes and supports simultaneous USB-C charging for phones, tablets, or other essential devices. The charger features two M18 only bays and two M18 and M12 hybrid bays, which enables multi-platform flexibility and keeps a low-profile design. The M18 and M12 Gangbox Rapid Charger, product number 48-59-1804, will be $299. You have a rapid charge rate, 4 charging bays, 2 M18 only bays, and 2 combo bays. It's powered by AC. You have 2 15-watt USB-C ports. You're able to mount via magnets, cleat, or keyholes. It's got a 450 lumen rotating integrated floodlight, and it has a 5-year warranty. Launch date on that is August 2025. Launch date on the backpack vacuum, August 2025. And the new subcompact impact wrenches have a launch date of August 2025. So literally 1 month from now, all of these tools will be available. I like that Milwaukee Tool is doing a much better job of keeping a lot of this information closer to the vest. All of the links to each one of these tools and their protective boots is available through the YouTube shopping button, so you can look at the pricing, the specifications for yourself, the glossy pictures if you wanted to see something more up close. You could pre-order and possibly order. Get in line. It's up to you. Vegan cookies good. What a $1 holla. He says, nope. I have to wrap this up. I hope you got all the information. Let us know down in the comment section below. What do you think of these new tools? 4 of them from Milwaukee Tool. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you think they're priced too high? Do you think they're priced too right? We want to know. Leave it all below. I want to say a special thank you to all of the channel members and those of you who have monetarily contributed to this stream. The channel members and the super chatters, although none of it's required, they do help to make this stuff possible. They helped us to pay the Verizon bill. They help us to pay for cameras, computers, and bandwidth. So we appreciate all that. Thank you very much. You helped to make this possible. I want to say thank you to the moderators for being here, helping to keep the chat G-rated, because everybody knows the best way to get from A to Z is to keep it VCG rated. And finally, I want to say a special thank you to each and every one of you, the very coolest community on all the interwebs, for everything that you contribute to the channel, all of the views, all of the likes, all of the comments, all of the chat, all of the love. You're the coolest community on all of the interwebs, and I appreciate every single one of you. Everybody, I hope you have a great day and the best week ever of your entire life. I appreciate you all being here. I got to get back to it. Let us know in the comments where you want us to stream from next.